Hello everyone, let's dive into the ProtoArc MECH KM200 wireless mechanical keyboard and mouse combo. If you're looking for a blend of classic mechanical feel and modern wireless convenience without breaking the bank, this combo might just be what you need. The keyboard features brown switches, which are a great middle ground for those who want tactile feedback without the loud click of blue switches. The typing experience is surprisingly pleasant. The keys offer a noticeable bump when actuated, making typing feel more precise and deliberate. It's a significant step up from mushy membrane keyboards, and the quieter operation is a definite plus for shared workspaces or late-night typing sessions. The 2.4 GHz wireless connection is stable and reliable. Setting it up is as simple as plugging in the USB receiver, which, by the way, is cleverly stored in the mouse's underside. The keyboard and mouse are immediately recognized, and the connection remains consistent even at a decent distance from the computer. Aesthetically, the keyboard has a sleek, minimalist design with a metal top plate that adds a touch of premium feel. The full-size layout includes all the essential keys, and the two adjustable tilt legs allow you to find a comfortable typing angle. The included wireless mouse is ergonomically designed, fitting comfortably in the hand. It has a natural grip position. The adjustable DPI settings 800, 1200, 1600 allow you to customize the mouse sensitivity to your liking, and the optical laser technology ensures smooth and accurate tracking on various surfaces. The forward and backward buttons are a welcome addition for easier web browsing. Both the keyboard and mouse are USB-C rechargeable, which is a modern touch. ProtoArc claims about 150 days of standby time on a single charge, which is impressive. A full charge takes around 2 hours. Compatibility is broad, working seamlessly with Windows laptops, desktops, and PCs. If you have a USB port, you're good to go. Overall, the ProtoArc MECH KM200 offers a compelling package for anyone seeking a wireless mechanical keyboard and mouse combo without spending a fortune. The brown switches provide a satisfying typing experience. The wireless connection is reliable, and the design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.